everybody. It is the Kenny Landrum, and we are in a special episode of Golf Cart Confessions that will air today, July 5th. So, let's get right into it. Hey, Kacy.
What's up, Kenny?
How you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm loving it that you joined me early this morning for Golf Cart Confessions.
Glad to be here.
So, Kacy, what would you like to confess to on Golf Cart Confessions today?
Is Dave Stumbo or Kevin Sanson around? Okay. I guess what my confession would be I watched The Bachelorette with my fiance.
Wait a minute. Did you say you watched The Bachelorette?
Hey, it's entertaining.
With your fiance?
Yeah, no shame. You know, no shame.
No shame.
No shame.
I love it. I love it. Your fiance is who?
Raven Brooks.
Yes. You guys are all over social media. You know that?
Yeah, I know it.
I've seen you on the cover of VIP magazine,
Yeah,
Bowling Green.
Once, yeah, that's when I had longer hair there. So.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question, Kacy. You are the co-owner of FHG Clothiers, right?
Right.
Tell us a little bit about what that is and what you do there.
FHG is just a men's clothing store. We actually started out as just doing custom clothing, where we'd actually go to guys' offices and meet with them and then get their measurements and do custom clothing for them. But I guess it's been about 3 years ago, we actually opened a storefront and actually have just casual clothes, off the rack stuff, off the rack suits, things like that.
Do you still do custom things?
Yes, that's still one of our main things. We still do stuff where we actually still go to guys' offices, meet with them, do things like that.
So for a big guy like me, if I needed some custom shirts made, where would I go?
You come straight to us.
Come straight to you, right?
That's what you need.
Absolutely,
Yeah, so.
absolutely. So you're co-owner with whom?
Tyler Brown.
Okay, Tyler Brown.
Yeah.
And you guys have Facebook, Instagram?
We do. Facebook is just FHG Clothiers. Instagram is just FHG Clothiers. Just pretty easy to find. So.
Good deal. So go like them on Instagram and Facebook. Also, you recently relocated to a new location, right?
We did. We actually had the opportunity to move right next to Donato's Pizza.
Okay.
So we're set up right there in the suite, actually right next to them.
Good
so
deal.
That's where we're at now.
So go see them over at the suite next to Donato's Pizza, right?
Yes, right, correct.
Good deal. Well, Kacy, I appreciate you joining me on this special edition.
I'm special.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Special edition of Golf Cart Confessions.
All right,
So
thanks, Kenny.
thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man.
So that was a special edition of Golf Cart Confessions, July 5th, 2018. Who will we interview next? It could be